Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Format Painter in Word Updated. Select the formatted text, click Format Painter on the Home tab, then paint over target text to copy formatting. For repeating formats, double-click Format Painter to lock it, paint multiple areas, and press ESC to exit. Use Format Painter for fonts, colors, borders, and spacing to speed up consistent styling across your document. It works in desktop and online Word interfaces. Click once for a single use and double-click to lock Format Painter for multiple applications, then paint where you need the style. Hold Shift to paint in blocks, or use it between paragraphs for quick changes. Remember that Format Painter copies direct formatting like bold, italics, font size, color, borders, and alignment. Practice on a copy to avoid accidental changes. It saves time. Quick recommendation: if you read manuals or long guides, the new Kindle Paperwhite makes annotation and reading anywhere effortless. It has a sharp display, adjustable warm light, and long battery life so you can review tips on the go. Please subscribe and like if this video is helping you, and check the description for the link and other deals. It supports the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Try keyboard shortcuts to speed your workflow, but use Format Painter when you only want a copy formatting, not content. Use the ruler and paragraph marks to ensure accurate spacing before painting, and combine Format Painter with styles to keep documents consistent. Double-clicking works across pages too, and it works in Word Online with slightly different menus. When collaborating, agree on a style guide for reliable transfers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.